Alright, let's face it. How most design teams do research today is broken. They do these big one-off research projects that they use to soothe their conscience for the rest of the year. But does it really achieve anything? Does these big one-off research projects help you get genuine, ongoing understanding into the ever-changing needs of your users? It doesn't. When we ask designers why they don't often do research, they quote budgets, bandwidths, and approvals as their biggest hurdles. And if you also have found yourself in a similar situation, I have a solution just for you. After facing similar situations and challenges for many years, I've discovered a framework, a system of doing research that any design team can use to get started with user research with literally zero budget and minimal time. I call it the no excuse UX research framework because it really will leave you no excuse to not start doing user research. This framework will give you actionable user insights to make use of in your design, product, business, or marketing decisions. This will help your product design team get involved in critical product decisions and make your management the topmost advocate of your user needs. If this sounds interesting, join me on 9th of June at GrowthSchool to unlock the research potential of your design team. In this workshop, I will walk you through the exact step-by-step process to automate your entire research process and create this infinite insight machine. This workshop is free only for a limited period of time, so if you're interested, tap on the link in the description below. I'll see you in the workshop.